from the report that we got, they arrived. However, due to the rains, the bush is too thick. They actually stopped and left the helicopter and walked for a very long distance. And they did what they had to do in terms of investigation. But when they had to go back to the helicopter, that's when they went around and could not locate where the chopper is. And also the issue of connectivity, it was a challenge there. Then they had to spend the night there. But luckily this morning, as the rescue team resumed using the helicopter from Sun Park, they managed to spot them waving their hands, and hence they are found. All of them are alive, safe, without no injuries.